Find the place. Let's go.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. Kanina pa video.
Welcome.
Welcome to Adelaide Zoo. Woo!
Where's the penguin? Is it not supposed to be your penguin? Penguin.
Layo nyo naman.
Over there.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Dito ano yan? Pander.
Where is it? Over there! But it's just chewing on bamboo. Yeah.
I'm a panda. Da. Wow, Japan.
Where's Dada?
Why?
No, it is a pass. This one.
Minion baby.
He's not looking.
Look, koala.
Hey, what do you want? What do you want? Dada. Look, it's a wombat.
Koala.
Tatalon ba ito?
Poop.
It's a sander
Ay, si Ada. Atong, yung koala yung hindi ko
But they're so cute. It's nothing that, but it's so cute. Ew!
It's a cat, but it's only like mere cat.
Ego, look.
I'm done here. I'm done here.
Magonya, mabani. Ay, ang galing, hawak mo. Ang galing mo, Rolly, sa mga hayop. Nakakausap mo sila. Ikaw si Mati. Kilala mo si Mati?
Hindi.
Sa Captain Planet.
Mas mataas yung pitch eh.
Ninong Rolly will carry you.
Okay. Okay.
Kaya mo yan?
Gusto niya makita yung lemur.
4 kg.
Ba't sila French, no, Rolly?
Monkey. It's monkey. Monkey. Luffy.
Where's Kuya Rafa? Where's Kuya Rafa? Ninang Abang, here's the tiger.
Can you copy it, Belle? Its face?
Yeah.
That's so...
Show it.
Up the roof.
That's water. You're in immersion.
Yeah, it's so big.
Oh.
Nah, oh. Tiger. It's
Dada, don't be so rude, because you're a fool. Mama, look what I found. Amazing. What animals are those? Wow. Probably some fat monkeys or gorillas. Yeah, but why are they out of the water? Oh yeah, there's a crocodile. Crocodile? Oh, can I see? Where are we? Giddy up. Okay, we're surfing. Historic elephant house.
Historic means there was an elephant there before.
Ate, stop.
Parang South Africa to.
Ay, yun o. Tingnan mo, puti eh. Hindi sila ano, no? Nakakatalo. Pangalan eh. Ayan, yan na yun.
Where's the food? I need baby.
Ay, wala akong salamin doon.
But only be until here.
Atong yung mga restaurant.
Look at that blue penguin.
Aww.
You should have gotten it from
If you want that, let them you are caught low.
kasi siya kayo nag-winner siya sa Lucia. Ito. Oh, yung Italian na yun, i-try nyo.